Good morning, everyone. This is Eva with Stitching in the Interlake. How's everybody doing today? Are you all doing okay? Well, we're surviving the storm. It hit about 11:30 yesterday morning. And it was just, there'd be big fluffy flakes, then light, and then it would stop, and then it would come on again, and now it's just snow and blowing snow, and it's, yeah, miserable. A lot of the highways are still closed. Stores and everything are just all closed up. And I can tell you I'm tired of it. I am very, 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 very tired of winter. So there's Miss Twinkle Toes herself, Miss Lilybell. Jonah's in his hut. And I would like to welcome Jamie Womack to our subscriber list. Thank you so very much for Jamie for coming to my channel and subscribing. That's wonderful. You'll see that we're a great bunch of ladies, and we don't have any gentlemen just yet. So, and what you can do is you can go over to the Facebook page, Stitching in the Interlake, and you can post there. You can tell us a little bit about yourself, where you live, how did you find out about me, or you can post it down below. And if you've got any questions, I'm open to it. And please like and share. So, but yeah, so the storm's just been carrying on here since yesterday. And yeah, I'm tired of it. I'm just tired of it. It's gone on far, far too long. Now, I know there you might see a little bit of a red haze, and that's because I've got part of the window, the curtains closed, and they're red. So they do give off a red hue. So, yeah, because the only way that I want to look at that storm is by not seeing it. It's the only way I'm going to deal with it. I don't want to see it. Nothing. I just want to wake up when it's spring. When it's the real spring. So, yeah. So, I didn't bother getting dressed today. I thought, whatever for. It's nasty out there. I don't feel like it. Besides that, Jonah was up during the night there, and he came and he pounded on my chest, and he meowed and kind of batted my face and was just constantly meowing, and he wanted out. And I had tried to put him out several times, but then he came right back in. Well, I don't blame him either, but... So, yeah. And then finally at 5 o'clock this morning, I put him out, and he stayed outside for a while. So, yeah. I thought we were all done this. I'm telling you. Ugh. So, but it's supposed to start lifting by tomorrow. But we're supposed to get some snow on tomorrow and then on Sunday. But they keep revising it. First they said 5 centimeters. Now it's down to 1 centimeter. I don't know. I don't know. At least the temperature is warmer. It's like -6 or -7 out. Of course, the wind makes it colder. So, yeah. So if you're just looking here, this is my autumn lady. And I have changed her colors. into oranges and green instead of the blue and kind of olive green, and it wasn't fall colors anyways. It just was not. So, but, yeah. And if you'll go on the Facebook group, you'll see there where I have posted some conversions for the Winter Lady. I mean, you don't have to use any of the colors. You can do whatever you want, and it's totally up to you. And that, but there was no way I was going to have Autumn Lady. It would have bothered me to no end to have seen her in the blue and green and that. No, not my thing. And if you're wondering, just put in, you know, looking for conversions, you know, for these ladies. And if you've got Pinterest, there's a lot on Pinterest. So, yeah. So, I mean, you can totally decide. The one thing I would highly, highly, highly recommend is that you get rid of the metallics that come with this kit and the beads that come with this kit, or any of the kits, and use Mill Hill, Mayuki, any of those type of beads. And yeah, it's because well, on this one here, they just have it as French knots. Well, of course, I'm not doing French knots. I'm doing beads. So I'm just going to go through my stuff, and I have a big container full of beads, and just see what I can come up with, you know. And, yeah. But otherwise, nothing else is happening. It's just, yeah, I'm just going to watch TV, and I've got 3 things to set up for my tomato plants. So I'm going to do that and get that ready. And maybe by doing that, it will feel more like spring. So, but yeah. Anyways, not much else is happening. It's just quiet, except for the wind, of course. Is there anybody else that is experiencing the snow and blowing snow from this system? This big Colorado low that has come in. So it's not very nice, and I wish that it would just, whoever it has been kept the snow machine and the wind generator, let's turn it off, okay? It's time to shut off. I want spring. I want spring. I don't like winter. I can take winter as long as I don't have to go out. As long as I don't have to go outside, then I'm okay. Actually, what would be even better is if I could be like a bear and hibernate. You know, just hibernate all winter long and wake up in March. Well, in this case, it'd probably be May. And winter would be over. Yeah, just sleep right through it. And, yeah, so... But otherwise, yeah, I'm not doing much today. I'm just going to sit back and watch TV. And my mouth is better. Every day it's improving. It's getting that much better. And I'll be glad once all the pain is gone. And then I can, you know, that I can feel like my old self again. Ah, come on. This will be the last one for this. So, yeah. So I am using E301 as the copper. Okay. So just a second here. Oh, I forgot to put my... I don't know, can you guys hear that wind? Sorry, Lilybell snoring in there too. So you might hear her. But, yeah, so I am using this E301. It's a copper metallic. But if I had to do this over again, I would try and get, I would get, I'd use treasure braid, but I would use a copper color, you know. And so yeah, because I really don't care for this. This metallic. And, but thankfully, well, I do still have a lot to go. I've got to do this and here. And then I got to finish up this part of her dress, which will take time. So, but I'm just taking it nice and slow and easy, and not pushing it. Yeah, so, how's the weather where you are? I hope it's better than us. Our weather here, like I said, is just, it's disgusting. It's just disgusting. We need nice, warm weather. And I don't know if you can hear, but the furnace is running too. For a while there, I could shut off the furnace during the day, and there was even a couple of nights when it didn't even come on. So, Yeah. There we go. So now where am I going to go? Well, let's go here. But otherwise, not much else. If it is that the power goes off today, then I think I'm just going to work on my diamond painting. And because then, of course, I won't be able to watch TV, and I will just put, oh, I don't even think, no, I can't even get my Coast to Coast to come on. I can't put my radio on, nothing. So, yeah. I was going to say I could sit down and listen to Coast, but I can't. I cannot even do that if the power goes out. Unless I download, you know, the program from last night. But I'm just praying that it doesn't go out. We've done well so far. I think there are places around southern Manitoba that do have power outages. So, and of course, like further south, oh my gosh, they got hit. Down to the North Dakota border, Emerson. It is just, it's white out. And I'm assuming it's the same like in Grand Forks and Bemidji and, you know, all those places. So, alrighty, where is it here? There. But yeah, oh, it'll go. It'll go. And I know the farmers would be happy for the moisture. Mind you, I don't know if they'll be planting this year. There's not much in the way of planting up this way. There's mostly cattle farms, some, a few bison farms, and that. So there's just not proper soil here for planting crops. So yeah. Oh, there is a truck that just went by. Paul's hauling. So they haul fuel. Paul's hauling. They are, I gotta see here. Is that, yeah. Oh, no, there's one right here. It's hard to see when you've got the orange there in between all this orange. So, but yeah, that's good. So, please tell your friends about me. And if you really like what you see, give me a thumbs up and share. You know, share on your Facebook, you know, page, or share on a Facebook group. You know, the more the merrier. And, yeah. So, I have something a little special coming up when I hit 350. I'm at 342 now. So, that's good. It'll be, you know, give back time, if you will. So, I haven't quite decided yet what, you know, but if I can get to 350, yep. So stay tuned for that. And we'll see what happens. And that. So, oops, sorry. Yeah, with these metallic, I have to go each stitch, like each movement, each arm has to go singly, because I can't do the sewing method with it, because it bunches up too much. Oops, sorry, I keep hitting that. Okay. All right, everyone. So I guess that's it. Can you see there how I've been working on it there? I finished over here. And now I'm going to come right down here and do this and just keep making my way slowly but surely. And we'll see where I end up for tomorrow. So, all right, everyone. So, may you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be well. May God bless you this day and every day. God loves you. And so do I. And so does Miss Twinkle Toes herself, Miss Lily Bell. Is that a Miss? There's Miss Lily Bell. Like, I disturbed her. Yeah, she's not happy when I disturb her. So thank you again all for joining me. And yeah, please go to the Facebook group and post there. My email address is stitchingintheinterlake@gmail.com. All the information is down below. This kit came from VIPcrossstitch.com. And if you use the discount code Interlake05, you will get an extra 5% off. So that's even on top of their all their low prices and free shipping after a certain amount. So they got lots of stuff there. So thank you again, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow, God willing. Toodle-oodles, everybody.